What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on no information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about how easy it is to get approved for a 100K personal loan with a 550 credit score. And wait till the very end because you know I got that bonus information for you. So, without further ado, let's get it. What's up, Credit Wealth Capital Crew? Now, today we're here to talk about this bank that offers 100K for a personal loan, and you only have to have a 550 credit score. Now, this bank is bankrate.com. The name is Bankrate. Now, let me tell you about this bank. This bank is a lending personal loan company. Now, who offers mortgages, savings, loans, and lock-in rates. So it is a great company. Now, with these dang on loans, they also offer home refis, home purchasing, savings, CD rates, home equity loans, which also known as a HELOC. If you're in real estate, they offer real estate loans, credit card, they offer credit cards as well, and also, as we hear, a personal loan. Now, with these personal loans, you can apply for like a debt consolidation. Now, if your score is low because of the fact that you have multiple credit cards and you don't max them out, this is a great place that you can actually go to actually get a debt consolidation to combine all your credit cards into one. This will actually boost up your credit score as well as help you out. Okay, so also if you want to same place if you want to refinance your credit cards, if you have I believe less than 30,000. I think if you have your bills are less than $80,000 included, if your house is included, I would actually go ahead and refinance, get a lower interest rate, and go from there. Because with if your home loan, if this is your first loan and you still have your PI principal and interest in your home loan, it's great to go ahead and refinance. So that way it'll take that out. So only you will only be paying the mortgage itself. Okay. So this is a great place to actually go to. If you have a major purchase, like if you want to purchase a boat or a new house or go on a vacation, it covers it. Unexpected bills, if you get in a wreck, something happens, your insurance don't pay for it, or if they take their time paying for it, this is a great place to actually go to actually get a loan from. Now, and you only have to have a 550 credit score. Now, with bank rates, they do have one card that the APR, which is anywhere between 3 to 35%. That is high, but I mean, you get 100K. Why not? Okay, this will help you if you just starting off, if you're creating a business. This will help you grow your business because if your business doesn't have um, line of credit, you have to use your personal loans. So this is a great way to actually get this loan to start a business. The loan term is anywhere from 6 months to 144 months. So you have time and a minimum 550 credit score. This is what I've been telling y'all. So you need to check out Bank Rate, and this is bankrate.com. Okay. Now, borrowers can find a personal loan that will fit your needs. So, only thing you have to do is answer like 1 to 5. It's actually 3 questions, but it's like little questions within those, you know. So you answer a couple questions, they find out the right loan that's actually for you. So check it out. It won't hurt. Okay. So now bonus round. Okay, you guys, bonus round. check out Lending Tree. Lending Tree also offers a great which is offers the same rate anywhere between 3.99 to 35.99%. And their long term is anywhere between 3 to 180 months. And you only have to have a minimum of 550 credit score. You cannot beat that. So if you find a house that is less than 100K and you're trying to move in and you got a 550 credit score, hey, this is where it's at. Okay. Now, um, the key factors with these right here is that sometimes their max loan is 50K with this company, with Lending Tree. So you only get 50K with this company. But I mean, that is a lot of money. 50K, that's all you need to start your own business, because we're here to capitalize off of these, using other people's money to make money, okay? So the reason why we're borrowing all this money is to use it to make money, and then you use the money that you made to pay these people off. Generational wealth. Let's get busy, okay? So today, this is how you can actually get 150K, you guys, with a 550 credit score, okay? Now, this is Ronaldo with Quarter Worth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. So be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. I'll see you on the next video.